for 2015 Topps Heritage mini boxes. 10 boxes. 1 autograph per box. So, good luck everybody. Let's get some sick stuff. No. Well, you could buy them at Target. I didn't buy them at Target. I get these from my distributor. But Topps never released this as a regular set. They only released it there at Target. So, I wouldn't really call it a retail set. But you can only buy it in retail. They don't come in those blister packs, put it that way. They come out of a case. Alright, here we go. Remember where the autograph is here, it's in the middle. Here we go. Alright, we got Austin Hill, Kevin White, Terry Bradshaw, Rashad Green. 100. There's 100 boxes in a case. Chris Conley, Jerry Rice, Gale Sayers, Odell Beckham, Cody Fajardo for Oakland, Melvin Gordon is the insert, and autograph. Oh no! Anybody see that? Uh-oh. Nope. False alarm. Darrell Beckham Jr. autograph. The Titans. I got excited for a minute. Quick minute. Oh yeah, Green Beckham, not Odell. Heh. Not a bad start. Yeah, a little really excited there. I thought we were getting Mariota. Looks like this autograph's backwards, this pack. Barry Sanders, Devontae Parker, Titus Davis, Tyler Croft, Rashard Perriman, Jalen Strong, Dan Marino, Russell Wilson, Brett Favre. Insert is Alvin Dupree. Autograph is going to, that's backwards, Panthers. Shaq Thompson. The Panthers. Todd Gurley. Shaq Thompson. Shaq Thompson for Carolina. Lawrence Taylor. Jameis Winston. Levi Norwood. Marcus Murphy. Trey Waynes. Eli Manning. Eddie Lacy. Tony Lippett. Your insert is Emmitt Smith. Your autograph goes to the Raiders. Cody Fajardo. I guess that's how you say his name. $10 Andrew Luck. Is that the you're looking for the insert? Andrew Luck. Oh, Emmitt Smith, Todd Gurley, Lawrence Taylor, Jameis Winston, Levi Norwood, Marcus Mariota, Trey Waynes, Eli Manning, Eddie Lacy. Insert is Tony Lippett for the Dolphins. The autograph goes to the Browns. Vince Mailey for the Browns. Oh, really? Maybe the Breakers. They have a top-notch operation on their servers. David Johnson, Jesse James, Vince Mailey, Nelson for the Eagles. So you know, I never say his last name because I can't pronounce it without stumbling. So that's why I only call him Nelson. In my mind, I can say it. My mouth cannot say it. Barry Sanders, Eli Manning, Eddie Lacy, Tony Lippett, Kenny Bell, Bo Jackson's the insert for Oakland. New autograph goes to the Panthers. Cameron Artis-Payne. The Panthers. Yeah. Sammy Coates for the Steelers. Jeremy Langford. Dante Fowler Jr. Josh Robinson. There you go. There's a base card. Not a luck. That's an Indy. Emmitt Smith for Dallas. Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. Drew Brees for the Saints. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Marshawn Lynch for Seattle. Insert is Amir Abdullah for the Lions. And the autograph goes to the Chargers. Titus Davis. The Chargers. Oh no. Oh man. So can you count that as a quarter base card then? He's not even in the league anymore? David Johnson, Jesse James, Nelson, Vince Mailey, Tevin Coleman, Stephon Diggs, Drew Brees, Aaron Rodgers, Marshawn Lynch, Marcus Murphy is the insert for the Saints. The autograph goes to Atlanta. Justin Hardy. Hey TJ, what browser are you using? Yeah, I can recap for you. Let's get to the end. I'll show you all the hits. Clive Walford, Sean Mannion, Alvin Dupree, Malcolm Brown, Austin Hill, Adrian Peterson, Jordy Nelson for the Packers, Eric Dickerson for the Rams, Tevin Coleman for Atlanta. The insert is Jalen Strong for Houston. Autograph goes to, it's backwards, the Rams. Malcolm Brown. Ooh, it's a black. 16 of 56. Malcolm Brown for the Rams. Two packs left. Another autograph that's backwards. Cameron Artis-Payne, Clive Walford, Sean Mannion, Alvin Dupree, Javarius Allen, Adrian Peterson, Jordy Nelson, Eric Dickerson, Tevin Coleman. The insert is Drew Brees, and the autograph is Jesse James. The Steelers. Alright, last pack of Heritage. Justin Hardy, Mike Davis, Dominic Brown, Deontay Greenberry, Melvin Gordon, Jamal Charles, Tom Brady, Bryce Petty, Matt Jones. Insert is Max Williams for the Ravens. And the last autograph goes to the Chargers. Could be Melvin Gordon. Nope, it's Tyus Davis again. Tyus Davis got two. Oh man. Yeah, well, that's fun. It's funner to do a break. Alright, here's a recap. We got Tyus Davis, Jesse James for the Steelers, Justin Hardy for Atlanta, Tyus Davis for the Chargers, Cameron Artis-Payne for the Panthers, uh, Yeah, TJ, you must have bad internets. Vince Mailey, Cuddy Fajardo, Shaq Thomas, Darrell Green Beckham, 456. I didn't see that was a black. Yeah, that's numbered. 456. And 16 of 56, Malcolm Brown. That's Heritage. Thank you, everybody, for participating in that.